Buddies, welcome back for another episode of Carpizzo's Kitchen. And today in the kitchen, I've got, in this bowl, I've got a half a chicken cut up and I de-skinned it except for the wing pieces. And what we're going to do is make Chef Pete's easy peasy breaded chicken oven roasted one pan easy vegetable dish. Okay, so let's start with our chicken. Here in this bowl, I have our chicken. And what we need to do is get some salt on it. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to get some salt. And then I'm going to get parsley on it. We need some parsley there. Okay. And Italian seasoning. Let's get a good tablespoon of Italian seasoning in there. And some celery salt. We'll get some celery salt, just a good teaspoon of that I just put. And we need some of this beautiful minced garlic. So let's get a couple of good cloves. Or if you don't like garlic, don't put garlic. We like garlic in our family, so that's up to you, okay? So what we're going to do with this is we are going to take some breadcrumbs, and these are Italian breadcrumbs I have here in this container. These are Italian breadcrumbs. You can buy them in the store. They have all various brands, whatever you like. And so what we're going to do is just get the breadcrumbs on a good half a cup of breadcrumbs, and we'll see if
Are we putting cheese in here today?
Yes. So Anthony will let you look at that while we get some nice cheese. Let's get some beautiful Parmesan cheese, or you could use Pecorino. Matter of fact, let's put Pecorino today. Pecorino is always a good cheese. So let's go in here with about a quarter cup.
Oh yeah, we like Pecorino.
All right. So what we need to do now is we have all this beautiful cheese and salt and pepper and spices. We are going to take, and I'm going to go in with olive oil. Now remember, I'm going to put veggies, and this is going to go into the oven, and we're going to roast this chicken with our veggies on a pan all together. So there we go. Let's just get out of here. We'll get this.
This is just an easier way and more efficient way to do it instead of breading it all separately.
Right. So this way, I don't even use any eggs. So let's get this all mixed up.
So it's lower fat.
A little bit lower fat. Yeah. Now we've got, look at this. We've got our chicken with our garlic and everything. And right, it's not going to be a heavy breading. It's going to be a light breading. So you see there's our breading on there, okay? All right, so now what I'm going to do is I've cut some veggies here. I've got onions, I've got peppers, I have got squash, everything. And we're just going to mix this all up so everything gets mixed together. Just mix them up. If you like, use your hands. Now you can see here on the chicken how the breading and garlic and parsley and Italian seasoning and all of that is sticking. And that's because we put olive oil in here, right? Okay, so let's get this in. And I think we need a little bit more olive oil. So in our family, we like olive oil. So let's get some more olive oil in here, just like this.
Well, you could actually throw an egg into that even if you wanted to.
You could, but we're not doing it that way, Anthony. Okay. We're making it this way, honey. So here we go. And there we go. Now we're getting all of everything coated really, really nice. All of our chicken's coated, all of our veggies.
It's so nice, isn't it?
And it's colorful, too. Okay, so you can use just about whatever vegetables you like. And then here I have a nice pan. Now remember, what's going to happen is the veggies are going to cook down and they're going to get...
Well, because you already have water in the veggies. So is that going to kind of steam them, or?
No, because we're not covering it, so there's no steaming happening.
Oh.
We're wide open here. Okay, so there we go.
It's going to get a nice brown.
Yeah, but we're going to get a nice browning. So let's get all of our goodness.
Oh, yeah, that did stick to the chicken. Look at that.
Right on there, just like this. And then we're going
Chef Pete, you know what you're doing.
Well, I tried to do it, yeah. So let's get them all in here. let's get them in here. Everything is going to get smushed down as it cooks, so do not worry about it. The potatoes are in here. Everything has beautiful taste. And a little gravy on the table when you go to serve this one pan. And what you have, and here I'm going to use my finger. We're going to get that on there. Just like that. Every little bit counts at today's prices. Alrighty. And there we have it. So all you need to do is 350 degrees. Give it a little shake. Into the oven at 350. Wide open. It all needs to cook and brown and be beautifully nice. And so there we have it. The easy way to make a sheet pan with a little breading on your chicken and fresh veggies, some potato, salt, pepper, parsley, garlic, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of celery salt. So you get a little beautiful taste as if it was fried but oven done roasted.
So it's lower fat.
Lower fat.
And it's like Depression style cooking because...
Yes, because what we're doing is everything on one pan, and we're utilizing vegetables, and we're keeping our costs down by using just half a chicken. It's 2 people here, or for 3 people, half a chicken works really good. Okay, so there we have it. This is going to go into the oven at 350 till everything is fork tender. And there we have it. So this is Peter Carpizos. As always, remember, it costs nothing to subscribe. Click the like buttons. Click the subscribe buttons. Click everything. You know what? Because we're here and we love you all. Thanks for watching. And remember, there's subscribing. And what we have is playlists on this side and playlists on that side. So take a look and see. We have hundreds and hundreds of playlists, and we also have thousands of videos out there. So that's Pete. This is Pete talking for Anthony at our Heal, Eat, and Teach, and we are here at Carpizzo's Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of Carpizzo's Kitchen. Pete out.
Bye.